Most people think compensation plans are confusing, capped, or even rigged. But at Freedom Fest 2025, the Home Business Academy dropped a bombshell, the unlimited income stream, and it changes everything. Stay with me until the very end because I'm going to show you the exact math of how 10 people can not only cover your costs, but to put you in serious profits. And then reveal how this new update can scale up to $10,000 a month residuals without needing a massive team. What? This is the Home Business Academy Compensation Plan, new 2025. Unlimited income stream plus funnel builder math explained. If you're serious about building an online business, hit subscribe right now because I break down strategize this every single day. Now here's the problem. Most comp plans stop you at some level. You only earn on your direct referrals or you lose income when someone on your team refers somebody else. That's the old model. But HBA just killed that limitation. With the unlimited income stream, there are no caps, no pass-ups, no ceiling. Every sale flows directly to you, and the Let's Go app makes it even crazier because now you can literally get paid when your referrals refer others. What? Have you ever searched for a work-from-home side hustle or wondered how to make money online without chasing hundreds of people? This is it. Now here's an example of how it works. You refer Bob into HBA through the Let's Go app. Bob doesn't have GetResponse, so he signs up through the app and you get paid, right? Now Bob refers Pam. Pam also doesn't have GetResponse, so she signs up through the app. Guess what? You still get paid even though Pam is Bob's referral. So you get paid on GetResponse, okay, for the referral, okay? That's just one income stream. There's a ton for different programs, okay? And it does not just GetResponse. You could be using a different one. So that's the unlimited income stream. It's not just HBA's 25 and 125 products stacking at 80% commissions and the Let's Go app 80%, okay? It's also tools like GetResponse, Aweber, and more, all integrated into the Let's Go app. So one referral can multiply into multiple income streams automatically. Imagine 10 people on your team, each referring 3 others who all need tools. That's 40 different commissions flowing back at you without you lifting a finger. This is in theory. At Freedom Fest, leaders call it the most shockingly profitable realization in 2 decades. Why? Because it removes the ceiling. Traditional MLMs cap you. Traditional affiliates only pay you on your direct link. But HBA's unlimited income stream means every customer, every month, every tool sign up, whether direct or indirect, can flow back to you. As Simon Sinek says, always start with why. And because the why here is simple, because freedom should never have a ceiling. As Steve Jobs said, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. And that's exactly why this plan delivers. And like Kendrick Lamar reminds us, it's not about noise, it's about rhythm and flow. This plan has both. Now let's talk about something beautifully simple, the Funnel Builder combined with the Let's Go app. It's $35 a month, but every referral pays you $28 residually. 80% commissions, $35, $28 for every single customer. So picture this, in just 2 months, you refer 10 people, that's $280 a month. Subscribe to the $35 you pay, and you're still nearly $250 in pure profit. That's a real vision. You don't need a massive team to create freedom. 10 people can cover bills, 20 can change your lifestyle. And when you're ready, adding the premium package turns into $100 per person per month. Like Brene Brown teaches, vulnerability builds trust. So let me be real. I used to overcomplicate comp plans, and it cost me months of wasted effort. But this is simple, duplicatable, and powerful. This is how ordinary people build extraordinary futures, not just chasing hype, but by stacking simple wins. Imagine where you'll be by the end of 2026 if you'll just keep adding a few people at a time. That's not income, that's legacy. Drop a comment below. What would an extra $1,000 a month mean for you and your family? I want to hear your vision. Now imagine this. What if you had 30 people paying you $100 a month? That's $3,000 in residual income. And add in referrals from your team's activity, and suddenly you're stacking an extra 500, 1,000, even 2,000 in software commissions without extra work. That's freedom math. That's why 2025 is the year so many people are finally stepping in, because this isn't just about selling a product. It's about building a network that keeps paying you even when you're not the one making the sale. And yes, here's the bonus math. 100 premium signups plus stacking, SAS stacking is $10,000 in residuals. That's the unlimited income stream. As Brené Brown teaches, vulnerability builds trust. And the truth is, I wish someone had shown me this exact math years ago. It would have saved me time, money, and frustration. Here's what you do now. Click the link, lock in your $25 spot, and step into unlimited income streams today. Don't wait for perfect timing. The people who win are the ones who act. Success loves speed, right? Money loves speed. This is exactly how top earners scale. They make the decision, they plug into the system, and they never look back, and they work the system. If you're serious about freedom, this is your moment. Take it. So I want to show you some proof of that I'm making money with this, and that you can too, and I'm raking with this, okay? Alright, so this is e-wallet bank account, $34.50, okay, to Bank of America. I'm going to show you Bank of America in just a minute. $83.05 to Bank of America. And $6.50, this was automatically done. Once I set it up, it's a recurring transfer, so I didn't have to do anything. I didn't have to log in and cash out or anything like that. Now here's Bank of America. Probably logged me out, so just give me a minute. Yeah, bear with me, sorry. Alright, I'm logging into my bank account. Now remember those commissions? $34.50, $6.50, and $83.05. What? Okay. So I am in profit within about a month of me joining, okay? And I'm going to start stacking those monthly commissions, okay? Alright. This is important too, right? This is the Home Business Academy telling me, hey, somebody paid you money, but you're not at that level, right? The Let's Go app, right? To ensure you don't miss on commission, if you decide to purchase this product in question by this coming Monday at midnight, we'll process paying out your commission. That builds trust. They could have easily just took the money from themselves, but they didn't, okay? That's amazing. And that shows me I can get paid a premium if somebody joins a premium, and I'm not that level yet. I have time to make a decision and start making $100 a month, okay? Serious money, right? $100 a month for every member that's on your team, okay? This is what it looks like if you join under me. You put your name in, you put your best email, okay? Hit yes, I want in, and it takes you to a page like this, okay? Where you click this video, tells you my story, tells you my number, tells you I'm a real person, and yes, I want in, okay? And you can have a funnel like this that's branded to you and make you the person that's highly sought after, okay? Most people are scared to teach attraction marketing, and they don't know how to teach you how to rank, how to the simple steps to set yourself apart, to build your list. The money is in the list, right? So we have 150 emails in the system that you can plug in and start building know, like, and trust with people. Because what's the odds somebody's going to just click on your video, okay? They're going to go to a page that they've probably seen before and join with you. No. That's not how it works, okay? They're going to find somebody that's better, that have better bonuses. Now, I'm offering a bonus on a silver platter that will build your income streams, okay? You plug them into the system. You learn how to rank, which I'm about to show you in just a minute, on YouTube. And I'm ranking on first page every single day with YouTube. And many Google wins, too, on the first page, okay? I'm going to show you proof in just a minute. But you can plug them in. You get your training and plug them in, and they get training too, okay? You can have a whole team of people that are trained the right way on how to build traffic, leads, and even sales, okay? And I'm going to show you what that looks like right now, okay? We're going to see I'm in incognito mode, okay? I'm going to go to Home Business Academy DFI Marketing System, okay? #1 video, and then I got 2 on Instagram and 1 on Make Money On with JJ. This is the first person of Google. First page of Google. So, Home Business Academy DFY Marketing System. To show you it's real, I'm not signed in, it's incognito. There's a video from me, okay? Another video. And another, and another, and another, and another. And here's another team member, okay? I don't know what this is. Home Business Guide DFY Funnel Builder. Andrew Guthrie, another team member. There's me, and there's me again. Okay. And Funnel Builder Review 2025, another recent video. Andrew Guthrie, another team member. Postcard Lifestyle, another team member. Here's me. And me. See? You can substitute me with you. Because I'm not somebody special, right? I'm just plugging into the training and doing it every single day. And the more you do it, the more you get paid. The more it's easy it is to rank, okay? So you can build traffic, leads, and sales and start building your list, right? And have sales come to you on automation while you're just living your life, right? Pretty cool, right? It can happen, but you got to work the system, okay? You got to actually plug into training and actually do it every single day. We make it as simple as possible, but you got to actually put in the work, okay? And Home Business Academy, Let's Go app review. It's on YouTube. I don't think somehow I got off of it. There's Postcard Lifestyle, another team member. Make Money with JJ. And Andrew Guthrie, another team member, okay? So we take this thing, we'll check it on Google real quick, then we're going to move on. Copy, okay? Okay. And there you have it. There's another video by me and another video by Postcard Lifestyle. So again, substitute with me with you, okay? Now I'm going to show you this actually works. I'm going to click on video of mine, right? I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a funnel out of any single video page and send it to your list, right? And we're teaching you advanced tactics with our system. We're not cookie cutter system, okay? We're teaching you, all you ought to do is contact your family, blah, blah, blah. No, that's not real. Or you just sit on your ass, you sit on your ass, and you'll make $4,000 a month at 50 cents a person. Come on. You're going to get 8,000 people a month? Come on. That's not real. But this is real. So I'm going to copy this, right, this title. I'll go over here to the funnel builder. Okay. I'm going to change this title right here. This is how easy to make a funnel out of any single video, right? You don't have to put it, I didn't, but I recommend you do. Get out of your comfort zone. It's a beautiful place, but nothing ever grows there. Okay? There's the title. So I'm going to go back to the video real quick. And I'm going to click on this share button. Copy this URL. Go back to the thing, watch the video change. It says Let's Go app review, right? Hopefully I changed it. Choose a different video. I did. No, it's Let's Go app. So let me get another video real quick. Give me a second. So we're going to do this one right here. Real talk. And we're going to share. We're going to copy. So this is copy paste simple. Copy paste simple. Copy paste simple. But we have advanced tactics, and we show you these overshow videos, right, on how to do this. And all you got to do is plug your system in, plug your people in, and the system will teach them on autopilot, okay? And you see the video change, right? So you can work this system, you can do this, you can rank for any keyword, any business. I'll plug you in. All you got to do is get started at the $25 level, or even the $25 and the $10 level for the Let's Go app, and start making $28 a month residual for every single person. That can stop out quick, and then when you get into profit, you go for the HBA premium level, right? And then you can start making $100 a month, $20 a month, and $8 a month per person, okay? And remember, this has been the Home Business Academy compensation plan, new 2025, unlimited income stream plus funnel builder math explained. Watch again if you need to, share it with your team, and then take action. This is JJ Solly, aka John Solly, aka your friendly neighborhood Solomon. Don't delay. Get what you hate today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.